My eyebrows is popping. Like, I think I did an amazing job, but we're not done yet. Hello you guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel, and today we are doing a simple makeup tutorial with no foundation. When I say no foundation, I mean no foundation, no contouring, and I'm only using one makeup brush to complete the entire look. So if you are interested, stay. So I got inspired to do this look by Desi Perkins. She did a no foundation easy glam look earlier this year. So I'm going to do basically the same thing. I'm just going to put my twist on it. So what I'm going to do to start, I'm going to start with some Toast Pro Concealer. I have a lot of dark spots. If you guys know any remedies, recipes, products that can help with my dark spots, please comment them below. Like, I would totally thank you if you do that. So we have that. So now what we're going to do our eyebrows. I am using the Ruby I'm using the Ruby Kiss Go Eyebrows. Go girl, you can't see it. It says Go Brows. And then the color I am using is black brown. So what I do first before I use it, I'm going to use some hair gel. And I'm going to brush my brows up. I'm going to use the Pro Conceal again, and I'm using in the shade Toffee, and I just bought this, so I totally have to open it up. And I'm actually going to conceal my brows off camera because literally I can't see. So next we are moving on to eyeliner. So this is also by Ruby Kisses, and it's black. So, have an eyeliner on, and next we are going to go ahead and put our glue on our eyelashes. I totally love these eyelashes. If I can find where they are at, they could be sold online. I'm going to totally link them down below.
So what I have been using as my mirror is actually my highlight. So we are going to just hit those cheekbones, honey. We're just gonna like wake them up. I need people to across the room to see, like, okay. I'm gonna look at my mirror as well to make sure these bad boys are getting done right. You gotta do the highlight right, okay? That's a must. I don't need no bag, but I be like, put it in the bag, yeah. And let's do the nose. That glow. Like, we need some more over here. You can never have too much highlight, right, ladies? Comment down below if you agree or if you disagree. You can never have too much highlight, like, ever. You just pack it on. Just pack it all the way on. I don't need no bread. Okay, sometimes I'll go ahead and put it up here too.
I don't normally wet the Q-tip. It just works better like that, and it prevents from a lot of what is it, fallout? Is that the word for it? When the eyeshadow is like packed on to your brush or whatever you're using, and then you have a lot of fallout and it's like all over your face, and I really don't like that. So I wet my toothbrush with my saliva. Yes, I know, it's like so hard to believe. So we're gonna put this in our inner tear duct. And a little bit on our lower lash line. And then we're also going to put some right under our brow. And literally we're almost done, like with this easy glam, no foundation whatsoever. I just put a little concealer to cover up some of my spots. So we're gonna put a little highlight on our Cupid's bow. And for lips today, I'm just using a gloss. It's the Nicka K, and I don't know what shade this is in. It's the color. And everything I'm using, by the way, is very affordable. Very, very, very affordable. Like, you can't get no more affordable than what I'm using. And I will link most of the products that I can find, if not all, down below. I mean, everything that I have here is less than 10 bucks. Like, even the eyeshadow palette that I have, that I use for my inner tear duct and my brow, is under 10 bucks. My eyebrows is popping. Like, I think I did an amazing job, but we're not done yet. I'm using the all-time favorite. I have so many favorites when it comes to mascaras, but I really like Maybelline The Falsies. I really love this. It gives my eyelashes so much volume, and it elongates them. It does a little bit of everything. It's perfect, literally. So we're going to put some mascara on our bottom lashes. And lastly, we're gonna go in with this. Oh my gosh, I totally love this spray. I love this spray so much. This is Mario, I can't pronounce the other name. Skincare. I got this from Ultra. So it's a hydrating boost mist, and literally it makes everything come together. It gives you that ultimate glow. It makes your face look so dewy, so fresh, just so everything, like you're gonna say. So I know I put on a lot. We're even gonna put some on, like, I'm gonna let this dry. This is the final look. Like, yes, no foundation, easy 10-minute glam look. Again, I got inspired by Desi Perkins, if you are into makeup, you know who Desi Perkins is. Like, she's the girl. She's the guru. So yeah, she did the no foundation easy glam. I will link her video down below. I'm sure you guys want to see. What I do is like different from her, but she was the one that inspired me to do the look. So if you guys enjoyed this really sexy, easy glam with no foundation whatsoever look, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, share, also ring that bell, honey, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay gorgeous and stay fabulous.